Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to integrate Authorize.net for secure its transactions on your WooCommerce store? In this video, we will show you how to connect Authorize.net to WooCommerce in 2024, ensuring smooth payment processing. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So WooCommerce Authorize.net Gateway. It integrates with Authorize.net payment services to provide secure and powerful payment processing for your store. With this gateway, you can accept credit cards and e-checks and let customers save their payment details to your site for fast and easy checkouts. This payment gateway includes full support for WooCommerce subscriptions and WooCommerce pre-orders. Also, these plugins includes accept.js from Authorize.net for improved security and decreased PCI compliance responsibility, so customer credit card information is handled directly by Authorize.net to offload some security concerns. Now, the requirement to have it, you will need an Authorize.net account, then an SSL certificate, and then an SSL certificate is also required on local test environments. A WooCommerce account that has the version 3.5 plus, and a WordPress account with the version 5.6 plus, and of course PHP 7.4 plus. You can see this under WooCommerce stats. Now let's get to the installation. So you have to ensure your store meets the plugin requirements, and then download the extension from your WooCommerce dashboard, or you might find it also in WooCommerce or basically WordPress by going to plugins, add new, and search for Authorize.net. So let's search for it, and as you can see, here it is. So Authorize.net payment gateway for WooCommerce. Let's get back. So after you go there and you download this is like in case you were downloading it from WooCommerce dashboard, then from WooCommerce it will not directly download it as you can do from here, install it, but in fact you will need to actually basically have a folder. You will download like a zip file. To upload the zip file, you simply have to go right here, click on upload plugin, and simply just drag it and drop it at the top of this page. This will allow you to download the plugin, and then all you need to do left is to activate it from this install plugins area. Select the plugin that you want to activate and click right here, book actions, activate, then apply. So this is how you can download it exactly. Let's continue with that. As you can see, click on store now, then activate, click configure, and read the next section to learn how to set up the plugin. Now getting started. To begin using Authorize.net, you must first connect the plugin to your Authorize.net account. Follow the steps below to find your API credentials on Authorize.net to set up the plugin. First of all, log into your Authorize.net account. Go to your account settings, API credentials, and keys, as you can see mentioned in this picture. So go to your account, then settings, and finally go to API credential keys, which is going to be in the security settings section. After that, copy your API login ID. Select the new transaction key radio button and click submit. Copy the transaction key, and if you want to set up webhooks, select the new signature key radio button and click submit to generate the signature key. As you can see in this picture, as mentioned below, so API login ID, copy it, and here there is the obtain new transaction key, new signature key, or disable all transaction key immediately. Once you're finished, click on submit and your tool will be created. Now go ahead and log into your site and go to WooCommerce settings, payment, and select WooCommerce Authorize.net. Paste the API login ID, the API transaction key, and API signature key. If applicable, click save changes, and that's it. You are now ready to start accepting credit cards via Authorize.net. Keep reading if you want to tweak settings and customize the checkout process. As you can see, for the credit card settings, you can configure the following settings to the Authorize.net credit card gateway. You can enable disable, allow customers to use this gateway to check out for the title, the text shown for the payment during checkout and on the order received page, Description, the text shown under the gateway's title during checkout. Limited HTML is allowed. If you enable the test mode, this section will also display a notice along with this credit card numbers. Now for card verification, CSC. It requires customers to enter their card security code when checking out. This can be useful if you have requirements in your Authorize.net account for CV2 verification. Transaction type controls how transactions are submitted to Authorize.net, so you can select charge to automatically capture payments. If you select authorization, you must manually capture and settle payments in your Authorize.net control panel or on the WooCommerce order screen after the transaction has been submitted. This default to charge. Now there is also various amounts of settings like charge virtual only orders, capture paid orders, accepted cards, tokenization, detailed decline messages, debug mode, environment, share connection settings, API, a couple of other things. Here we have the e-check, so you can enable it or disable it, have a title, description, the same thing as other things like tokenization, authorization message. There is a bunch, maybe hundreds of options that you can keep tweaking, changing, and you can literally play with a lot of things in here. You might even get lost, so make sure to have this article. Here it is, as you can see, mentioned at the top. So simply just make sure to actually fully read it. Let me just show you the link, woocommerce.com/documents/authorize.net. So make sure to have everything in here read by you in case you were going to actually change and edit and simply just modify a lot of things within this article or this plugin. So Authorize.net, as you can see, is a very large plugin that really needs a lot of configuration, a lot of understanding, and basically it will require a lot of hours to basically read and understand every single section of this page to manifest the best outcomes of it, and of course to make it matches your goals and your client's criteria. For example, if your client wants specific payments gateway like credit card settings or e-check, then you could go ahead and change a couple of things in those settings so you can make it more smooth and more professional for these clients, so they can come back later and basically enjoy the payment process of your store. And yeah guys, that was completely it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. So with that being said, thank you guys a lot for watching. If you do have any more questions, make sure to drop them down in the comment section. We'll do my best to read all of your comments one by one so I can leave no problem and no topic behind. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.